In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to create surveys. We'll start right at the source. Open your web browser and go to Google Forms by typing forms.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account so your work saves automatically as you go. You'll land on a simple homepage with a few quick start options. To see everything available, look for the template gallery near the top. If it looks collapsed, click it to expand and reveal the full set of professionally designed templates organized by category. From the gallery, choose the event feedback template. This is a great starting point because it includes common survey elements like rating scales, multiple choice questions, and short answers already structured for you. Using a template saves time and also gives you a sense of best practices for question flow and tone. Once the template opens, you can edit anything you see. Click the form title at the top to rename it and add a short description that clarifies the purpose and how long it will take. Then move into the questions. Click any question to change the wording so it matches your event or topic. Use the drop-down next to the question to switch types, multiple choice, checkboxes, short answer, paragraph, linear scale, or others, depending on what kind of response you need. For example, rating experiences works well with a linear scale, while opinions that require detail fit a paragraph field. Make questions required when you must have that response and leave them optional when you want to reduce friction. Open the three-dot menu on a question to add helpful features like response validation, which can enforce answer formats or ranges. If a question is similar to another, duplicate it and adjust the details to keep consistency. You can reorder questions by dragging the six-dot handle on the left, creating a logical flow from general to specific. Use the right-hand toolbar to add new questions, section headers, images, or videos which can make the survey more engaging and easier to understand. Then personalize the look with the theme options. Pick a header image, choose colors, and adjust font styles so the survey aligns with your brand or event theme. Before finalizing, click the preview icon to see exactly what respondents will experience. Skim through, try a test response, and confirm that required fields, scales, and instructions feel clear and concise. Small edits here can greatly improve completion rates. With these steps, you've created a polished survey in Google Forms. You started from a solid template, customized the content, refined the structure, and checked the experience, everything you need for a professional, ready-to-use form.